Turning now to crime in Kern County and the question, how are we doing in the never-ending quest to subdue gang violence? We're not there yet, but the evidence is encouraging, as 17's Robert Price reports.
Sometimes it seems like violent crime is getting worse and worse, but the fact is, by at least one telling measure, it's getting better. That one telling measure? A drop in the number of gunshot wounds coming into Kern County's only trauma center, Kern Medical. And just as significantly, gunshot wounds as a percentage of the total trauma cases treated at the county hospital in East Bakersfield. How? Hard to know with absolute certainty, but here's a rock-solid bet. Intervention, pre- and post-violence, by a key Kern Medical community partner, Garden Pathways. The nonprofit, created by the Reverend David Go in 1997 and led by his CEO sister, Bakersfield Mayor Karen Go, is a mentorship program that works with gang members and others to show them another way. Allison Osvog, Kern Medical's trauma medicine manager, says it's a two-pronged effort.
We're here to take care of the patients. We're here to, treat their physical injuries. But one of the other things is we're out there in the community trying to prevent traumatic injuries, trying to educate and work on prevention. And so one of the things that we've done is bring in our Garden Pathways partners.
The numbers don't lie. Over the past 4 years, according to KGET's count, fatal shootings have dropped every year. 75 in 2022, 58 in 2023, 45 in 2024, and just 39 through the first 10 months of 2025. And Kern Medical is seeing fewer gunshot wounds as a percentage of total trauma cases. Last year's total of 131 gunshot wound cases represented just 4% of that year's total trauma department cases, well behind blunt injury cases such as automobile accidents. As recently as 2021 and 2020, gunshot wounds represented 9% of trauma cases. Juan Avila, Garden Pathways Chief Operating Officer, says the nonprofit's intervention approach ranges from a tattoo removal program to family counseling.
We're going to show them that there's a community that is supporting them, that's a community that's backing them up, and that we understand that they want justice, and we will work with them to navigate what that looks like. But we always want to start with a message of nonviolence.
Don't think they haven't noticed up on the front lines. Dr. Amber Jones is Kern Medical's trauma medical director.
It's a multifactorial thing, right? The healthcare system and making sure that we're on our game and doing what we need to do, and then also the surrounding services, the preventative services, and then the follow-up services for these accidents too. So,
are you getting better at saving lives, doctor?
Oh man, 20 years later, I sure hope so. Yeah. Yeah.
And Garden Pathways, she says, is getting better as well.
I couldn't thank them enough, to be honest. They're the best.
No one is claiming victory over the gang violence problem just yet, but progress is in evidence. In Bakersfield, Robert Price, 17 News.